Them good vibes only. It's just me and my homies. And if you don't know me, then you better stay the out of my section. Unless you tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so a day ago, sorry for screaming. So a day ago, Summer Rain came out, and I'm finally reacting to it. So yes, buddies, let's get excited. Yes. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's wow. Man, I haven't even checked the Rainbow album yet because I don't want to spoil myself with, Summer Rain. So I'm kind of I can't control my hands. Okay. Yada Chingo, Gfriend, yes. Let's go. Summer Rain. I have the video ready. It's 4 minutes and 7 seconds. So, mhm. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. I'm so, I'm so sorry. Maybe I'm just jumpy today. I don't know. And I'm gonna be only recording this video today, and that's it. So all my energy is gonna be thrown out in this video. So okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, the audio. Maybe it's the headphones. I don't know. Never mind. Oh, that piano. I thought this song was gonna be calm, but then the beat came. I'm actually reading the sub, so like the Summer Rain. The end. Hey, that choreo, it's gonna be on point again. Like always, it's Gfriend's thing. Ooh. It kind of sounds like their other song. Yeah, their most recent song. I forgot what it's called now. But yeah, it kind of sounds a little bit like that. Maybe I'll put it in the background, the song that I'm talking about after reacting to this. What's he writing? If I'm right, their comeback would be today. I'm not sure. I will check it out while editing or maybe after. Ooh, oh, I like that part of the choreo. I'm excited to see the choreo. Like a crystal clear story. What kind of story is that? I'm very curious. What story is that? Oh, oh, that's beautiful. If they put that angle in the top, like in the top, whenever once their comeback stage is out, and then they end it at the top with all of them making that. I think it's a flower. That would be awesome to see. Yay. Oh, it's Love Whisper. That's what it's called. Yeah, it's just like Love Whisper. And there's the boat. So yeah, that was Summer Rain, and what I can tell from the lyrics is that it's kind of like feelings for someone, maybe someone they miss or someone that they want to see again, maybe. Um, if I can remember for Love Whisper, I don't think there's a story in Love Whisper that's connected to Summer Rain, because most of the K-pop songs nowadays, some songs have stories in between them, especially ever since BTS started the craze of having a story in between their music videos. We're not sure, well, not we, but I, because I just newly watched this, so I don't think there's a story between Summer Rain and Love Whisper. So, what do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. Do you think there's a story between these two? Because I don't think so. But yeah, that's my reaction to Summer Rain. Yeah, like for their new comeback, and yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell to get notifications to me. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. Let's support our lovely Yojo Chingu. I'll see you guys in another video. And bye!
찾을 수 없어 Someone like me 찾을 수 없을걸 어떤 것도 이런 내 맘 모두 다 표현이 안 되는걸 넌 찾을 수 없어 Someone like me Someone like me Someone like me